Finding the best copper kettle is about more than looks. It's about fast heating, smooth pouring, and daily comfort in your kitchen. A well-made copper kettle heats evenly and feels great to use, which I noticed right away during my morning tea routine. From years of testing kettles for home kitchens in the USA, I've learned which designs hold up, which need extra care, and which truly earn their place on the stove. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Mr. Coffee Flintshire Tea Kettle. The Mr. Coffee Flintshire 1.75 quart stainless steel whistling tea kettle is the kind of kettle you grab when you want things simple and fast. I like how quickly it heats water for tea or instant coffee. The loud whistle alert is hard to miss, which helps when you step away for a minute. The stay cool handle feels safe and steady, even when the kettle is full. The copper finish looks nice on a stove, especially in small kitchens. It's lightweight and easy to pour. One thing to note is hand washing only. Still, for the price, this whistling tea kettle feels reliable and practical for daily use. Number 4. Barista Warrior Gooseneck Kettle. The Barista Warrior Gooseneck Kettle feels like a calm upgrade the first morning you use it. I noticed right away how balanced it feels on the stove. The copper finish looks warm and classic, not flashy. What stood out most was the built-in thermometer, which makes brewing less stressful. I no longer guess water heat, I just watch the needle rise. The precision pour spout is another win. The flow stays slow and steady, which helps with even coffee bloom. I like that it works on almost any stovetop, gas, electric, induction. It fits easily. The stainless steel body feels solid and clean. One small note though, it's best not to fill it all the way. Keeping it at 1 liter avoids spills. Overall, this kettle makes pour-over coffee feel relaxed and repeatable. It's a great choice if you enjoy slow mornings and better control. Number 3. DmofwHi Gooseneck Electric Kettle. The DmofwHi Gooseneck Electric Kettle is a great choice if you like control while brewing. I enjoyed watching the temperature rise on the built-in thermometer, which helps a lot with delicate teas and pour-over coffee. The gooseneck spout gives a smooth, steady pour, making mornings feel calm and precise. The 1,000-watt quick heat brings water to a boil fast without much noise. The copper finish also looks classy on the counter. Safety features like auto shutoff add peace of mind. One small downside is the outer surface can feel warm after boiling. Still, for the price, it offers solid performance, good control, and a thoughtful design for daily coffee and tea routines. Number 2. Bella Illuminated Glass Kettle. The Bella Illuminated Glass Kettle feels like a nice mix of style and speed for everyday use. I noticed how fast it boils water, which helps on busy mornings. The 1,500-watt fast boil really saves time when making tea or instant soup. The soft blue light adds a calm vibe and makes it easy to see when water is heating thanks to the blue LED glow. Pouring feels safe, and the swivel base is handy in small kitchens. I also like the auto shutoff, which adds peace of mind. One thing to note is the glass body gets warm after boiling. Still, for the price, this kettle looks great on the counter and works well for daily tea, coffee, and quick meals without fuss. Number 1. DmofwHi Gooseneck Electric Kettle. The DmofwHi Gooseneck Electric Kettle surprised me with how balanced it feels for daily brewing. The copper finish looks great on the counter and fits well in modern US kitchens. Pouring feels smooth and calm thanks to precision spout control that makes pour-over coffee easy even on busy mornings. Heating is fast too. 1,000-watt quick boil gets water ready in about 5 minutes, which I appreciate before work. The stainless steel interior keeps water tasting clean without no plastic smell. Safety features like auto shutoff and boil dry protection add peace of mind. One small downside is the lid fit, which takes a moment to align. Still, for the price, this kettle feels like strong value and works well as the best copper tea kettle option for everyday coffee and tea lovers. Final verdict. If I had to pick one kettle that truly does it all, I personally recommend the DmofwHi Gooseneck electric kettle as the best overall choice. It's fast, precise, and easy to control, which makes daily pour-over coffee feel calm and consistent. The temperature control really helps unlock better flavor. For a specific need, the Bella Illuminated glass kettle is a great option. It's more budget-friendly and perfect if you want quick boiling with a clean, modern look. The blue light is helpful and fun, especially for busy mornings. Check the description link for current prices and full details, and pick the copper kettle that fits your style and needs best.